Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I just want a minute of your time to brag about this beautiful shelving system that I got for my bathroom. So I did have one of those old looking wiry ones for over the toilet that just took up so much space and honestly didn't give me enough space to put what I needed to put. So I got this and I am so glad that I did. It was so easy to put together. It's made out of steel and real wood, which I love. And I put it together all by myself. The instructions were very easy to read. It was very easy to assemble. And I love that you can just twist everything together and you have got a beautiful, sturdy shelf ready to go. This comes in different sizes, so that's wonderful if you have a lot of space or a little bit of space, and depending on what room you want to hang it in, you can definitely find the size that you need. But another thing I love about it is how versatile it is. You don't have to put this in your bathroom. It would look beautiful in a kitchen holding cups and bowls or coffee cups, anything like that. And I love that it's sturdy enough that it'll support all of that. So you can see how much space I have here. I've got so much more room than I did on that wiry rack that was here before. I absolutely love this. So if you are shopping for a new shelving system in your bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom, you have found it.
And that's my point of view.